Hey everybody, it's Walt from Driftfoot Racing. Wanted to kind of update you on the last Chinese diesel that I purchased on Amazon. When it arrived, the recoil mechanism was all bent at an angle here, and you can see where it's still kind of bent there. I kind of straightened it out the best I could, but I figured I might as well contact the company, so I did contact them. And it took a while to get, because like trying to send them videos, and files were too large, and they couldn't open them, and it went back and forth for a while. But I finally got, the last little clip that I sent them, and they could actually see what it was and how it was bent. So they sent me this part of the recoil mechanism, a new one, came from China, of course. This will probably be all right. I banged it back out the best we could. This little engine, I think it's supposed to be 4 horsepower. Very similar to and designed to a Predator type engine, the way they lay the cylinder down. Similar but different. So, direct injection, pretty straightforward. There's some other ones out there on the market similar. This particular company currently says they're unavailable from their site. I think this got bent a little bit too here, the throttle mechanism here. But I have had it running briefly. I was waiting on the new recoil to show up, and it did, and I just kind of mounted up, and I'm going to mount all the diesels up and show you how all 3 of them run together. Here's another one on the ground here. This is the first one that I purchased. It's more of the old school type diesels that the Chinese made, all cast iron. That weighs about 60 something pounds. This thing weighs about 40 something pounds. So aluminum case, cast iron case. So yeah, just I got another one next door I'm going to bring over, and we'll do some video with that too. We're going to mount these up on something, get them running. But I just wanted to talk about the broken recoil and the fact that they finally did send one. And so we're going to get that thing mounted up and get it running. If you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned.